What up, Willy Watkins? So today we got 8 figures to unbox. 8! Oh my god, that has never happened in my life before.
So we can open up boost.
I don't know. How about we could open up this?
Oh yeah, those vintage collections. Okay, I gotta start with the small ones first, then the big ones first. Oh, I meant last.
You know how to speak English.
Okay, so with the small ones. What the hell happened to you?
Hey, Jesus, shut up, Blade. We're trying to do an unboxing video. Thank you. Okay, please open up Darth Vader. And we got Darth Vader out of the box.
I'm Darth Vader, and I am finally out of the box.
Mr. Vader, why are you so small?
I'm not sure. I'm humming size
Oh
now.
my god, it's Grievous' son! Jesus Christ, why is there a minion here? Why does it look like a weird-looking hobo?
I have no idea how I chose home like this. I think I was, injected by this Huggy serum, and that's how I turned into like
Yeah, I want to get in the spotlight too. Wow, you can change his hands. That's cool. That's pretty cool. I thought that was weapons for a second.
Okay, Darth Vader. Okay, let's open up General Grievous. Yeah. And yes, this is a vintage.
Holy flying Koopa Troopas, we got General Grievous out of the box!
That's right, I am the son of Grievous. And why are you clapping your hands, turtle thing? There is nothing to celebrate
It's
about.
because you're loyal!
That's right, Grievous. You are one loyal Grievous figure. And you can open your chest. See?
And you can connect his arms. Yay! Oh, except for this one.
Yeah, that's the thing with these arms doesn't attach like it used to. I think he's probably, I don't know, thinking about something else.
Okay, let's make this quick. Let's open up these two. You look so cute with each other.
Here we got Yoda out of the box, and he has a little blanket too.
That's your backpack. Lord Vader, I see that you become a prick. How could you destroy the Jedi? Now because of you, I'm already dead, but not literally dead. In the smallness of a mind, in that universe, we don't die.
I will destroy you shortly if I do.
Okay, Darth Vader doesn't make any sense. Oh my god. Yeah, we definitely gotta unbox this guy. And we gotta wrap this up because, people are gonna call the cops on us. And we got Black Trooper out of the box. And wow, I never seen him this black before. Excuse me if I'm being racist. And for the guns, we don't need to go through that because I'm lazy.
Let's open up Kylo Ren. Wait, what the fuck? That's not Kylo. That's Moon Knight, not Kylo Ren. He's like a white Deadpool.
Oh yeah, that's right, he is a white Deadpool.
Okay, let's open up Moon Knight. Hell yeah, Moon Knight out of the box.
That's right, I am Moon Knight, and I'm so Egyptian. Let's open up Squeaks, because he's so cute.
Yeah, can't we look ridiculous in his last, it's a prick. Let's open up Ironheart. Okay, let's see what she looks like. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm so sorry, everybody. The unboxing video's ruined. Hey. Oh my god, she's sick.
Hi, everybody. Just gonna chill. What are all you creatures?
Okay, let's open up
Squeaks.
And we got Squeaks out of the box. And I love how the equipment is set up for Squeaks. It's pretty cool. Oh my god, he has a Decepticon. Oh my god, he has cannons.
Oh no, Toad, are you okay?
Yeah, do you need to go to the hospital?
No, I'm good. He shot me in my ass. Ass.
Okay, here's a motorcycle.
That's a damn sexy lady.
Yeah, come to think of it, she looks like a Power Ranger.
Yeah, Larry, she's one crazy Power Ranger.
Okay, wow, look at Ironheart. And yeah, I'm gonna take off the, hand shields because I don't like them. Yeah, we got, wait, what the hell? What the?
They do that now? What the?
Let's see, we got, bags? They have bags now? No, they can't have bags.
We have bags now. Oh, the figures in the bag, that's cool.
And we got Ironheart out of the box.
That's right, yo. And I'm just like Iron Man. And I should keep those, things on my wrist because they look badass, baby. It's cool. And please do not compare me with Power Rangers or any of that crap because that gets me offended.
Why is so sexy? She's better than America Chavez.
What? You know America Chavez? Same. We used to go to high school together.
Oh crap, we're gonna have to open up J.K. Simmons. And he's also
Just call me Terrence Fletcher.
Damn, girl, this woman's an asshole.
Hey, woman, that's a man.
Yeah, we're gonna open up JK7. He's gonna yell at me. And we got JJ Jolie's out of the box.
Mr. J.K. Simmons, I'm gonna go because I have a curfew, and if I don't get home early, my dad's gonna kill me.
Then why the fuck didn't you say so?
That wasn't very nice. You made Toad cry.
What the fuck did you just say to me?
Hey JK, where's your hair? Okay, well this is somewhat wild unboxing video. But hey, happy 30th unboxing video day!
Jesus. Oh no, I'm stuck. Help! Help me! I'm stuck!
Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Come on, Squeaks. Ride like a ballsy.